Well, I got it printed, got it put back together. Here we are, we're back. I've got it all put back together. Got my spring detent set up there. I've got everything put in place. This is just a prototype to see how it'll work. It's obviously easier to do this on a 3D printer than it is to go out in the shop and do all of it. I had to make some of these parts, obviously, as I'll show you in the videos, but I've got this piece here is set. I've actually got the tension set right here. So what I'll do is I'll show you how I'm putting it together. Set this down inside here. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera. My tripod is in the shop. So we've got right here, if you can see, I've got that. I'll probably have to put that inside the hole here. The video is not going to be that great for this one, I'm sorry. And then this piece here goes on like this. Make sure it's going in straight. And if you notice, as soon as I load it, it trues right up. Can you even hear it? I am going to go get a voltmeter here in a second and check and see if it's working okay. But ultimately, what's going to happen is, if you look here, the next thing I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to make little copper tabs right here out of, or brass tabs, and then I'm going to solder some wires to them, drill some holes through the center of the tabs so those springs are actually contacting little brass tabs, and I'll put a little series circuit board through there, and the top of this probe, or probably to the side of it, I'm going to put a spacer inside of the body of the probe when I cut it in the lathe, and then on the side of it I'm just going to put a little pin jack in there. But this is the progress I've made. It's taken me about 2 days. Most of it's just been CAD time and waiting on the printer. I probably don't have an hour in doing these rods. They are cut within a half a thousandths of each other at 100 thousandths on those steel ball bearings. But that's where I'm at with that. I am going to be cutting a circuit board, like I said, to go into the top of that. Probably be sometime next week. But I want to get this project finished because I got a couple other projects I want to do over Christmas break. I promised my students I would make a 48-inch whiteboard plotter that they could hack into with Octoprint using Raspberry Pi. So because everybody's doing remote learning right now, I think it'd be a great learning tool for the students. So anyways, hey, thanks for viewing the video. Right now, this will probably be the end of it until I get the body made on it, and then I'll bring you back. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, like and subscribe. If you could, leave comments. And I'm not a machinist. This is just something I've been tinkering with for 20-30 years as a hobby, and I decided to put this project on the internet, on YouTube, so everybody could see it. If you want to give me comments, suggestions, ways I could do this better, that'd be awesome. Thanks, guys. If you like it, go ahead and like, subscribe, and that way I get your ideas. So when you leave me a message, I'll see it immediately. Thanks. Y'all have a good week.